Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. My name is Catherine and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Christmas or a holiday themed decoration that is part of our Zen Tree Time Joy Kit Decoration Edition. So grab your supplies and let's get started. In your Joy Kit, you're going to find the following supplies. We have our little package of tree decorations, our collectible postcard, 8-inch strip of pinked fabric that you're going to use to make your decoration hook. We have 7 pieces of pre-cut cardstock, 7 fabric shapes, 1 for your trunk, then tree body. We have our pattern on green cardstock, as well as your instruction guide. Other things you're gonna need, really simple, scissors, glue stick. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and cut out our tree shape here. You don't need to cut out these pieces. I've just included them, so if you want to make more cardstock pieces, you can do so. So once you have your shape cut out, we are gonna go ahead and attach our fabric to our pre-cut cardstock pieces. For this step, you'll be using your glue stick. I wanna identify which piece of cardstock goes with your tree trunk. It's the smallest rectangle out of your full group. Once you know which pieces of cardstock go with which fabric, you can go ahead and turn your fabric, so wrong side up, so color side down. We take our glue stick, put some glue on our cardstock piece and press it into the center of our fabric shape, doing our best. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then all we do, we take our glue stick, go over the edge and fold, pressing it nice and crisp against that cardstock edge. There's our first shape of 7. So repeat that process on the rest of your pieces. Okay, so now we have the fun of assembling our tree. I'm gonna bring you in closer so you can see how I'm gonna do mine. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is glue my little fabric strip here. So I fold it in half, trying to line it up as best as I can. This is the front side of my pattern. And then I put glue in the center, as well as on the pattern itself, so that everything sticks together really well. Okay, and then we can start matching our pieces here where they go on the pattern. And then with your trunk, you'll notice that it fits just under this bottom square, like so. And then once everything has dried, you can go ahead and open your little tree decoration kit to see all the options you have for what you can put on. This is the bell I was talking about earlier, if you wanted to weave it through your top piece. So it would be on there, so that's optional. I'm not gonna put it on this one this time. And then you can go ahead, arrange your shapes however you think look best, just gluing on each again with your glue stick. That completes the tutorial for the decoration edition of the Zen Tree Time Joy Kit. Have a happy holidays, everyone. I'll see you again soon. Bye.